Welcome everyone. If you're using your Safari browser and it's just crashing, if you can open the browser and it's not crashing just yet, then you're going to see this double square icon. Long press on this double square icon, and I want you to close all of your tabs. So I'm going to close all my tabs here, and it's saying, should we automatically close tabs? I'm going to not set that just yet. And now all of your tabs have been closed. So let's use the browser. Hopefully this solves the problem. But if it does not solve the problem, it's good to know the second solution. There may be something loading in the background of the operating system. And in that case, we just need to restart the iPhone. So to do a restart, we're going to press power and volume down together. We're going to try that again. So you want to keep on holding until you see this one, the slide to power off. Once this one is off, wait 10 seconds and then press and hold the power button to turn back on. And once the device is back on, use Safari and your problems should be solved. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.